So hello guys, welcome back to Unlucky Bug Hunter. So today's video we will be seeing about resources to learn bug bounty from beginners to advanced level. So guys, many of the subscribers just requested this video to me. So post this video to me. So I'm just posting it now. So the first thing is you need to be strong in networking concepts. If you are entering your cybersecurity journey or else your bug bounty journey, basic thing is the networking concepts. So you just need to learn all the networking concepts. Like if you go to some YouTube's, you could see some. If you just type networking tutorial for beginners, you could see many videos will be posted by many YouTubers. So you can just choose your preference and just watch it. So what you need to understand from here is like how the request, how to analyze the request, and what are the header files over there, and then how the connection between the client and server works. So these are the things you need to be need to understand when you come into bug bounty. So next is we could see Linux to basic level, learning Linux to a basic level. So this is the Linux OS. You just need to play with it. So I have just posted a course on learning Kali Linux course. It is over here. You can, if you need, you can watch. You can watch from here. And the next thing is you need to learn with Burp Switch software. So you need to play with Burp Switch software. So this is the main important software, and this inbuilt software in the Kali Linux. So if you are a beginner, you just need to learn in an advanced manner. So you should be a pro in it. So this is where you would capture the request and intercept, and you will just analyze all the request headers. All it will be over here. So you just need to be a pro in it. And the next thing you just need to learn is before going into bug bounty concept, you just need to play CTFs. So many of the security researchers will say like bug bounty and CTFs are like it is very different from, it is completely different. But I would say like playing the CTFs will just improve your practical skills. So like if you see, you will have how to crack a password. You can learn Linux, you can learn Burp Suite, and you could learn steganography, malware analysis. Everything would be you can learn from this Try Hack Me. So this is a very good site for learning a practical thing. And if you don't know what is Try Hack Me, you can watch it in my channel. Like I will be posted over here, like exploring Try Hack Me and setting up the lab. It will be very useful for you. And the next thing which you need to do is search for a mentor to learn bug bounty. Yes, it could be online or offline, anything. Like you can purchase any course from online, or you can just go to offline classes near you, and you can learn. And you should have a strong mentor. Like you should know all the concepts, and you should be very strong in it. And I'm not going to say any specific course to buy, or because I'm not promoting any YouTube channels or any courses over here. So that's your wish. You can just go with it with your preferences. And the next thing you need to do is solving Portsphere lab. So once you complete this, once you just learn this bug bounty, once they teach after they teach you this bug bounty, you just need to go into Portsphere lab. Don't go into real sites and practice. You just need to go into Portsphere labs. So Portsphere labs, it is like a real life bug bounty flaws. So we could see here. So this is the Portsphere labs. You just need to you just explore it. Like all the bug bounty flaws, all the bug bounty related flaws, you can just solve it over here. It is similar to a box. It is similar to solving a IP. So it will be a very interesting one, and here it will improve your practical techniques in your bug bounty. And the next is next you just need to go into it is read blogs related with pen testing. So you should read books related with pen testing. So you could see I've posted a video on how to like top 5 best book for bug bounty hunting. You can just see through it. And next is read infosec blogs every day. Like once you start to hunt, like you could see medium, you can just go with medium.com. There you would see many infosec blogs. You could see here bug type, exploiting password reset functioning, hunting for excesses. You'll there. So many security researchers will be posting many many blogs over here, infosec blogs. So you can just go with it. And the next thing is read HackerOne reports. So this HackerOne reports helps a lot. So you could see when you just go into hacker one, like where you just need to go to activity. So here they will be disclosing many, publicly they will be disclosed many blogs over here. So you can just you just need to go one by one and just to see how the report and what are the flaws, what are the what are the payloads they have used. That's the main thing you just need to see over here. And if you just need to see blogs, blogs and reports, you can see in my channel too. I have posted like 26 publicly disclosed blogs in my channel, so you can just see through in my channel too. And the next is follow bug bounty hashtags in Instagram and Twitter. So many security researchers will be posting some hashtags over here, like in Twitter and Instagram. Like you could see here, some publicly disclosed blogs have been posted over here, and some tips will be posted over here. So you just need to follow some hashtags related to bug bounty. And the next thing is, if talk to security researchers and gain knowledge. So talk to many bug bounty hunters, like full-time bug bounty hunters and part-time too. So they will be just gaining, they will know a better knowledge. Just try to gain experience from them and knowledge, or else their methodology or account process, whatever you just need to know. Just contact them through their social medias. And next is being updated with the current CVs. So you could see here, this is the CV in sense like a 0-day flaw, you could say. So you just need to be, so every day they will be discovering new flaws, and every day they will be generating new CVs. So according to that, you just need to need to keep updated with your CVs. And next thing is, if you're a beginner, go with BDP programs. That's what I would say. Like many security researchers will be saying, like for beginners you can go into HackerOne and Bugcrowd, but my choice is you can go with BDP programs. So BDP programs, in sense, this is the BDP programs. Like if you just search like this specific thing in URL bug bounty, responsible disclosure bounty, you will be getting all the BDP programs over here. The thing about HackerOne and Bugcrowd, if you're a beginner, you'll be getting duplicates and not applicable first. So that would be a big headache, and you would get frustrated and you will quit the bug bounty journey. So that's what I'm saying. You can just sorry, you can just choose BDP programs. So finally, the thing is, spend more time on learning and don't expect bounty as a beginner. So this is the main thing. Before going into your target, you just need to spend more time. Like before going into your bug bounty, spend more time on learning. That's the main important thing. And the next is the take notes of everything. So whatever you learn, like the bug bounty tips and the books you read, and then the CVs, like the Instagram tips, whatever the Medium blogs, you just save it in a folder, or you just keep a note in your notebook, whatever it may be. So keep a notes of everything. So that would be helpful for you in future. So that's it, guys. If you have learned any information in this video, just do a subscribe. Thank you.